Vibes, I'm out here with my big dog Hush. You already know the vibes. You know what I'm saying? Mastermind Motors. What we doing, bro?
How we do? We out here in the sun, hot to do this thing. We do it in any weather.
Y'all know what's going on. It's been a minute since we had a post, so per usual, coming with something crazy. Peep this. Man, y'all see what's going on. Woo-hoo! Toyota Supra on them though. What y'all know about it? First one in the comments to let me know the year, get a shout out. Yeah. Hey, this mug different right here, y'all. Something different, man. I'm gonna stop playing with 1984 Supra. She coming home, y'all. She coming home. It's locked and loaded. She ready to rock. I'll give y'all more details here in a minute. What's good, y'all? It's your boy, Tekken 3 Vibes, back with another video. Once again, man, I ain't even gonna stunt you. I'm gonna start it off by saying appreciate y'all's patience. You already know your boy out here working hard, man. Brand ambassador life. Got a lot of stuff going on, hustling, doing other things too. A lot of brainstorming been going on these last few weeks. Been out of town too, Chicago. Just was in Cleveland last weekend for the Abdullah Mason fight night. Been a lot going on, y'all. So per usual, y'all know I ain't coming back empty-handed. You know I got something sweet for y'all to check out. Check out what I just came up on 4th of July weekend, man. My first barn find of 2026. Yes, sir. MK2, no Mortal Kombat, you feel me? Yes, sir. 1984 Toyota Celica Supra. 84 Celica Supra. P-type. So the P stands for performance. This is the performance trim level. Got fender flares on here. More narrow body with the flares. Different wheels. He actually put some up. Dude I copped this from, he put some fresher wheels on them. So those tires are like really, really good tread for real. Factory wheels. Different wheel, of course. I'm gonna go inside here in a minute. Just wanna check, let y'all see what's up. Little scuff itch on the back left corner. Maybe a side swiper backed into something. You know how it go. This is an 84, y'all. So we looking at 40 plus, dog. Next year, this will make 45 years on this bad baby. I'm saying this mug is crispy for what I got it for and what the circumstances are. Person I bought it from, literally, y'all, had it in a barn. Guy said he ended up buying a estate from an individual. It was 4 cars that came with the estate. He had to get all 4 cars to be able to get the 2 cars that he wanted. They wouldn't let him just get the 2. So this was one of the 4. And she's now mine. This makes me the 3rd owner of this car, y'all. Dude I got this from had it since 93. And now I'm the 3rd owner. So yeah, this one major right here, y'all. Got it for, ooh, I mean, steel is crazy. You know what I mean? I don't know if steel is putting it lightly or it might be accurate, but man, I got this for a crazy low number. Y'all know, per usual. I got some Mastermind Motors music coming out soon. Y'all gonna hear it in the bars. You modern, I'm playing with the classics. The way I'm getting them for nothing really is magic. You know what I mean? It's crazy, man. Sunroof on this baby. Spoiler action. We got the rear windshield wipers too. Gee, shit, I never had a joint. Never had my own car with a rear windshield wiper on it before. Ooh. Let's get in this thing. Oh man, different, real different, y'all. Do not mind the dust. Like I said, straight up barn find. You know what I mean? It's really in really good shape. Just got to get cleaned up. You know what I mean? It smells like it's been sitting on stationary for a while. She does start up with starter fluid. I heard it run and everything. Got her to fire up before I bought it. So she does have spark I'm pretty sure it's a fuel pump I gotta go ahead and throw on this thing. It's a pretty common thing that happens with these when they get older and the mileage. So I'm gonna have to grab me another fuel pump. I already looked into it. Pricing is very, very respectable. I was surprised that it didn't cost even close to what I thought. Y'all see, I still ain't got that bumper, that face on that big Merc yet, man. They've been playing, and people been talking about all type of crazy numbers and stuff just to send me a bumper. Of course, I don't want to get it sent, but it's looking like I just might have to in a minute, y'all. I mean, hey, side note, somebody let me know. Anybody with a 88 through 91 Mercury Grand Marquis header panel, holler at me. I need that. But back to the main feature right now. Main feature. So yeah, just the trunk, hatchback vibes. You know what I'm saying? Got the little sport back going on, seats down. This did come with a bumper. He threw me a box of goodies too. I'm gonna go through it, show y'all what's up. We got a full size spare up under there, yes sir. All intact, no rust around it or nothing. Frame on this mug is impeccable. You hear me? Hold on, I'm about to show y'all something real quick, man. Check out this frame. Get up under here real quick. Look at this frame, y'all. I mean, this is what you want to see. You know what I mean? This is what you want to see. Black. Am I looking at the? Okay, y'all do. I'm just trying to make sure y'all can see it. And let me know if y'all do see anything up under there. Don't look right, but man, we got us one, y'all. We definitely got us one, y'all. Y'all know the vibes. Definitely got us one. For sure. Yeah, this mug is intact. You hear me? Up under bumper, good. Fuel pump, or is it the fuel pump? Or the fuel tank, my bad. Not rusted. Passenger side clean too. So again, this is the P-type. They had different color schemes. They had like 9 different colorways for the factory colors you could get on these. There was a P-type and an L-type for this year. Again, P-type is for performance. The L1 was for luxury. So with the P-type, they had a lot of colors that they shared, but then this one also gave you the 2-tone options. This one right here, we have the maroon on top of burgundy. No. I think it was maroon on top of mahogany. It definitely wasn't burgundy, it was mahogany. So this is a factory paint job. She stock too, y'all. Bare bones, nothing tuned. Just the way I like it. Y'all know how I'm coming, you know what I'm saying? Don't have to cash out. My Flexus is stock. You dig? Yeah, we gonna get this one all the way back iced out. Like I said, I'll be getting the fuel pump ordered this week. My guys over here, they know a thing or two about some JDMs, so I'm gonna holler at them as far as trying to get her put on. Yeah, we're gonna get this mug back started up. Pops is gonna have a good time with this one. He already was commenting on the IG. If y'all haven't seen it already, tap in with me. Taking 3 Vibes on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, obviously. I got a little short post up about the car already. A lot of people was on there commenting, giving feedback and stuff. Y'all can jump on there and do the same. I would love that, man. Let's have a conversation about it. Let me know what y'all think about this, man. I'm about to get back in here. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. It do smell kind of, it smell like your grandparents' basement. You know what I'm saying? At the house. You know the one I'm talking about. It smell like that. You know what I'm saying? Just need to kind of get aired out. That's why I had this door open too. Let that mud air out a little bit. I need to put let an air freshener hang up in this mug. Sunroof does work. I had opened it up before I bought it, and I was actually shook because I opened it up, worked perfectly fine. Didn't want to close back up though. So as you see, I got it closed here now. I know the trick. So not too pressed about the sunroof at this exact moment, but it does work. Who knows? Maybe I will get another glass for that in the future. We shall see. We shall see. Yeah, got a lot of cleaning to do on this one. It's interesting, man. I've never been in a car with this short of a dash like that. And I mean, I had a Civic, Chevy Cruze, some other stuff. So like, this is interesting how small the dash is. But we got that nice inline 6 up under the hood. I'm gonna show y'all what the under the hood, what the brains of this thing is looking like. Like I said, I wish I could light up the dash for you. I did get to see it earlier when I bought the car, so trust, everything's there. You see the mileage, y'all. Do you see the mileage, y'all? Come on, y'all, we working. 113 on this bitty. You feel me? 113 on this bitty. We got us one. This is a Toyota, mind you. So 113, ooh wee. Yeah, it's a good situation. Check out the brains though. Let's get under this hood. All right. Oh shit. As soon as I started the video, the wind closes the hood. Hold on, y'all. All right, that was rude. That Midwest wind. I heard blowing my hood closed. But yeah, so inline 6 we got in here. This is a, ooh, I should remember my numbers. I can't remember the exact size of it off rib. I think it's a 2.6. I want to say a 2.6 or a 2.8. Inline 6. This is the 5M EM. I want to say. I'm getting, you know, don't kill me all over the all of the names and numbers on the engine, man. I'm still learning, okay? I'm still learning. It's a whole nother lane right here, messing with the JDMs, the Yodas, and Hondas and stuff from back in the day. So just learning the engines and all of the transmissions and different stuff that goes to these kind of cars from back then. But this is definitely one of those ones that a lot of people can appreciate. Like I said, I had already got some feedback. People were asking, did it have the 5M in it? As you see, it does. So yeah, definitely a very reliable engine. These are one of those ones, man. It's a Toyota, so y'all know they used to put some of their best work in some of their oldies. Yeah, this one I feel real good about. 113 on it. Got a lot of life in it. Like I said, I already heard it run. She sound good too, y'all. Trust me, I ain't gonna keep y'all waiting too long. I'm gonna get this mug back fired up. Hold on, check the look at the little vent slab and everything with that set right there. Ain't no bugs. What year? 84. Did they make it in 84? I don't think it said on the, ain't got the year they made it on. Made in Japan though, you see it, hold on. You see it, made in Japan, boy, you feel me? Real JDM shit, no cap. Real talk, let me zoom out. Yeah, real talk. But yeah, man, it's all there. Sound real good. Like I said, I'm gonna get it back fired up, let y'all hear it. And I already got some real good ideas for what we gonna do to get this thing juiced up. It come with 160 out the gate, 160 horsepower from the factory, inline 6. It's got a lot of range, a lot of potential in this engine. Age does not matter. A lot of potential in this engine. Already got some good ideas on how to get it up in them twos relatively quickly. So yeah, we're gonna take care of the importance first. Make sure everything is everything. You know, make sure everything is everything. Like I said, I'm gonna throw a new fuel pump on here. I'm pretty sure it's a go. See what this transmission talking about. It's been a while. Get her cleaned up, get all these webs and stuff, man. Make her look like she's been appreciated, because this is definitely one I appreciate right here, man. Crazy come up. I'm gonna get this whole engine bay cleaned out, y'all. Y'all gonna respect me after y'all see how this engine bay about to be clean, because I be seeing people in the comments saying you could tell how much somebody really know about cars, how much they respect their car by their engine bay. So trust me, it's gonna look like it real soon. For sure. Pop-up lights do work on it. I made sure those work too. So pop-up lights is working on it. I'm feeling these rims. Let me know what y'all think about the feet. What y'all think about the feet though? Let me know, huh? Get in there. I'm saying little Yoda factories. I do like these. As far as like JDM vibes go, no cap, I'm a BBS guy. I do love me some BBSs. Who knows? Maybe we might see some on this thing. Who knows? Let me know too, y'all. Comments below. Colors, man. Let me know what y'all thinking on this. You know what I'm saying? This is the team. You know what I'm saying? I consider y'all part of the team. Everybody that's been supporting, I saw all the love and feedback I got on the old school 89. So, you know what I mean? I want to hear y'all input. Let me know what y'all think about color schemes. Like I said, this is factory. You got the maroon on mahogany two-tone. This is one of two two-tone options that you could get from back in the day. So I'm obviously the paint is about to have, we're gonna need a new paint job, y'all. So y'all already know that's a given. Should I run it back with a fresh redo on the factory paint job, or y'all got something better in mind, man? Y'all let me know. We could wrap this thing. It's definitely getting wrapped. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. It's definitely getting wrapped. So let me know. You know what I'm saying? We could throw some logos on there. Let them know who it is. It's T3V. We can go a different route. I would prefer to go a different route. I'm feeling like this one, as much as I like this one may not be mine forever, man. I feel like this is a car that a lot of people would appreciate seeing in their driveway and in their fleet too. So let me know what y'all thinking as far as paint jobs in the comments, man. Let's get it. Yeah, man. So y'all let me know what y'all thinking as far as paint jobs, and then just overall, what's your thoughts on the latest addition to the fleet. I'm super excited about this one. 1984, y'all. We pushing 45, 50 years on cars now, man. We living in the 80s hard right now. 84, 89. Who knows what else you might see me pushing next. You know what I mean? My Duke said this one kind of put her in the mind of a Mustang when you look at it from the back. I could kind of see that. But let me know, man, what y'all think about this one. A lot of potential in this thing. It's just, it's a lot of life in this one, y'all. I feel real good about this one. The way I came up on it, the price I got it for, there's plenty of room to play and put some stuff into this thing and really make it look like what it is, you know, what it used to be off the line and what it still is deep down. You know what I mean? Super life though, y'all. MK2 1984 Toyota Celica Supra, the P-type. Hope y'all like it just as much as I do. Let me know in the comments, y'all. To the next video. You know the vibes. I'm out.